What's going on, everyone? Adam from Unity Trading Group here, and we're going to go through the Binance platform. We're going to take you through the platform overview, what you can expect to find in the account section. We're going to put on a trade, how to do that in spot only. All right, so this is a beginner walkthrough, so we're only going to go through spot trading. We're going to show you how to do limit orders, market orders, show you how to use stop losses, and show you how you can get your crypto and cash in and out of the platform. So without further ado, let's begin. So the first thing that I need to say when looking at Binance is the first thing you need to do is you need to check that you are on Binance, BINANCE.com. You need to make sure that URL, that web address is correct. You don't want to be phished. You don't want to be scammed. So make sure you've got the correct address in the bar at the top. That's the very first thing. Second thing is you can make an account by looking at the top right hand corner and clicking on the account. So we're logged in. What I'll do, I'll log off and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so here we are on Binance. Our address is correct. Top right hand corner, this is what it looks like. You'll have the login register button there. So you can click register and you can create your free account. So email, password, accept the terms of service, create an account. Then you'll be receiving an email to verify your email address, and then you can log in to the platform. So what I'll do after showing you this, I'll log into our account and we'll continue from there. All right, welcome back. We are on the main screen and we're logged into our account. This is what it looks like. We've got a notification there. So we'll get rid of that. And we'll come up to the right hand side and we'll click our account. So we're logged into our Unity Trading Group account here. And this is what you're going to see immediately when you have a look at your account section now. So what we have, we're on the dashboard here. We've got our account logged in here, user ID to the right hand side. You've got your balance details. So this is a quick snippet of your wallet that you've got in the account right now. So any crypto or any assets that you have on your account, it will show here. Obviously, I've hidden the account balances for obvious reasons, but you've got spot, your P2P, your margin, your futures accounts, your savings and your pool and everything like that. But we're gonna stick to spot for this example. And then you've got deposit and withdraw at the top right hand corner. If you click withdraw, it goes to how to withdraw from the Binance platform into your wallet, but we'll have a look at that in a second. So coming back to this dashboard here, we're going to go through a few other things. On the left hand side here, you got activity and devices. Okay, so you can see where you're logged in, from what IP address, and you can see what devices are logged in and from what platform they're logged in from, whether it be Windows, Android, iPhone, everything like that. So you can have a look and see if there's any abnormalities there, and you can take action accordingly. Coming over to the right here, you'll see increase your security. So what you can see there, you've got 2FA, you've got identity verification, you've got anti-phishing code, and you've got withdrawal whitelist. So what I recommend you do immediately is you need to immediately enable your 2FA, which can be done via the Google Authenticator app that you can find in either the App Store on iPhone or the Play Store on Android. So immediately moving down, you can see your open orders just here on the left hand side, where you've got the pair, the date, the type, the side, the trigger, conditions, the price amount, filled, and the action. So nothing's found at the moment. We haven't put on a trade, so we'll see how that can be done shortly. And your right hand side, you can go your trading fee level. So the more you trade on Binance, the less you will pay in fees. So our maker fees is 0.075 and our taker is also the same, 0.075. This is a brand new account, so we haven't got much trading volume on here. But the maker essentially is when you put orders in the book as a limit order, so you contribute to the liquidity on the exchange. And the taker is when you buy at market or sell at market, where you're removing liquidity out of the exchange. And those two fees are the same at the moment, and they will go down as your trading volume increases. So we'll have a look and see more. We'll have a look and see what those mean in terms of limit and market orders as the video goes on. On the left hand side, you'll see a distribution and all your announcements. Very, very important to keep track of these announcements. So Binance will obviously tell you when the exchange is going down for maintenance, and all that will happen on this right hand side in the announcements section. So always good to keep an eye on that. Left hand side, we can continue down to the payment section. You got your P2P, your buy crypto, and your withdrawal section. You can go through that as you see fit. But in terms of withdrawing, it's really referring to adding a bank account. So these guys have added the ability to use Australian bank accounts, and obviously US and everything like that is available too on these platforms. So moving on to security, you've got your 2FA, your Google authentication. So you can use the Google Authenticator app to set your 2FA up, and I do recommend that gets done. Absolutely. It's going to keep your funds even safer than they are on Binance themselves. And then you can use SMS and email address authentication also, which happens when you use a new platform, use a new device to log into your account. They'll always send you an email to verify that device and verify that it's yourself. Device management can be done here. Your password can be changed down the bottom here, and you can do your KYC, your identity verification, to verify where you are in the world and who you are, so you can transfer funds like fiat funds, like AUD currency, into the exchange to buy and sell cryptocurrency. You can do that on the right hand side under the security tab on the left. Reward center. Basically, as you go on, as you move through the platform, you can generate rewards, and they will be sent to you via vouchers, and it can be seen and done through the reward center. Task center, however, no tasks to be set, nothing to do there. Settings, you've got your basic information of the account, where you can see your email address, your maker and taker fees, your last login time, something like your personal identity, address verification, stuff like that, all to do with KYC. Then you've got your API management. So your APIs will come into a separate key there. You can see your API list. We've got one key set up here to access our account remotely, and then you can see that API can read and trade via the account there. Obviously, this is all blurred out for privacy reasons. However, everything is there for you to look at, and APIs is a more advanced feature that we might go through in a future video. Preferences. So if we continue over to the preferences section on the left-hand side there, we've got order confirmations for stop limits. You can do that for market and limit orders if you want to be sure of your of the trades that you're taking. Something I would probably personally turn on if you're a beginner trader, just to give yourself a second chance to really confirm all the details on the orders that you're taking. And you've got your notification management there, which really comes down to the app that you're using. If you're using the iPhone or the Android app, you can see the system notifications that they will send you from time to time. Last, on the left-hand side, you can do your Binance referrals. We'll leave ours in the description of the video. If you want to use ours, that would help us a great deal. However, you can invite your friends via your own referral link if you like, and then you can get rewards for those people using their Binance accounts via your referral link. So if we go back to our dashboard here, that's all I really wanted to have a look at in terms of the dashboard. In terms of the structure of this section, we're going to move on to the trading terminal, and we'll have a look and see what the dashboard and what the trading terminal looks like, and what you can look for in terms of this. So we'll go across to the market section here, and then we'll have a look at where we can find everything. So if we go to the market section, top left-hand corner on the navigation bar there, you can see a number of things come up. So these are basically all the spot markets, so buying and selling cryptocurrency physically, what they offer on hand. There's a whole lot there to go through. However, we'll just go through a couple of bits and pieces we've got here. So you've got BNB markets, so that's using their Binance coin to transact and buy each cryptocurrency individually. You've got BTC markets, where you're using Bitcoin to transact. Alts, where you can use different altcoins to transact between each other. And then you've got fiat markets, where you can use USDT Tether, Binance USD, PAX, for example, to really transact between all the cryptocurrencies. So we're going to go to the trade terminal now and have a look and see what that interface looks like. We'll go over to the advanced section here to give us that full interactive experience on what Binance has to offer. So on the left-hand side, obviously now you can see that big trading chart alongside all of your drawing tools on the left-hand side to see how you can interact and draw your technical analysis on these charts. So Binance has a few different things to offer in terms of the chart section here. It's a little bit of a small snippet of what TradingView offers on their platform, but you can use a lot of the same sort of tools where you've got your trend lines, you've got your Fibonacci tools, you've got your drawing tools, all available there on the left-hand side. Binance has their own section as well, their own trading and their own charts also, but I do prefer TradingView. They are the universal standard when it comes to the trading and the charting tools that we use over here at UTG, so we'll stick to that. On the bottom here, you've got the same sort of thing we saw on the dashboard. You've got the open orders, your order history can be seen, your trade history can be seen, and the amount of funds you have on the platform at the moment. Of course, this is blurred out for privacy reasons. We'll go back over to open orders. On the on the right hand side, we've got your order book. So selling order book and buying order book just here on the left hand side, and you can see the average price and the sum in BTC and USDT as that moves across. On the bottom here, you've got your trades. So all the trades that have taken place in real time. So there's a lot of trading volume going through BTC USD at the moment. On the right hand side, you've got your spot, sell and buy buttons there. So we're buying or selling BTC as it comes on limit, market and stop limit sections there. You can also use the slider to determine how much percent of your account you want to dedicate to the trade or each trade that you're doing. So this is very, very nice and a nice handy tool to really gauge your risk management and make sure you're using only 1 to 5% of your account at any given trade or any given time. So a very nice feature there. And then you've got your deposit and withdrawal buttons on the right hand side there also. So that's really all there is to see with Binance. Not too much to wrap your head around. That's a very, very brief overview of the actual graphical user interface of Binance. Stay tuned for the next episode or the next segue into our next video where we're going to show you how to set limit orders, market orders and stop limit orders to help you trade this interface. Thanks for watching. I'm Adam from Unity Trading Group. You can find us at www.unitytradinggroup.com and join the Discord, have a look at some of the indicators and some of the bits and pieces that we've got going on there, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.